First of all, to install a VMware on any Linux machine, for this case in Ubuntu, you have to download the installation bundle from broadcom.com. That's the first prerequisite that you need to have, and also to check if your system is compatible and has the necessary requirements. Two, now you will have to go to the directory where you save the file and change the file permissions to be able to execute the file that you downloaded from Broadcom. So let's just go into pictures where I saved mine. I can ls to confirm. Yeah, here we have version 17.6.1, and then we have to make it executable by running chmod +x and then the name of the file. Okay, and then we have to update our system. Sudo apt update, input our password, a few seconds to update the system. It won't take much time. Okay, now our system is updated. The next thing we have to do is to install dependencies to make our system to be able to support VMware, and we have to input paste this command: sudo apt install build essential gcc make linux header, and then you name r. Okay, our system has now installed the dependencies. Now we have to we have to run the installation file. Sudo / and then the file name of Vmware Workstation, the bundle that we downloaded. A few minutes to install. Okay, done. Now we have to start our VMware from our apps. We can read the terms, agreement, terms, condition, accept. Yes, updates on startup. Yes, we want to yes. Then here, this is where we have to select VMware for personal use. Unless you have the access keys, input our password. We have our VMware ready to create machines and open virtual machines.